Hello friends, in this video we will understand about FDA Form 482 and FDA Form 483. This is very short and specific video, so I will highly recommend that you watch the entire video. So let us begin. What is Form 482? FDA may conduct an inspection of your operation for a variety of reasons such as a routinely scheduled investigation, a survey, or a response to a reported problem. The investigator will present credential and a notice of inspection called FDA Form 482 upon arriving at your plant. A knowledgeable person in your firm, such as the plant or production manager, preferably designated ahead of time, should accompany the investigator at all the time. So FDA Form 482 is basically the notice of inspection presented by the FDA inspector. It is in your best interest to fully understand FDA's inspection procedures. When you are unsure of certain actions taken by the investigator, don't hesitate to ask questions. So FDA Form 82 is basically notice of inspection given by the FDA inspector for inspection of your site. Now, let us understand what is Form 483. And many people talk about Form 483 and FDA 483 observations. So, during an inspection, usually the investigator will examine your production area, look at certain records and collect samples. So this is usual process of an inspection done by the FDA. At the conclusion of the inspection, the investigator will discuss with your firm's management any significant findings or concerns and leave with your management a written report of any conditions or practices which in investigator's judgment indicates objectionable condition or practices. This list of inspectional observation, also called an FDA Form 483, can be used by your firm's management as a guide for corrective actions. Since the FDA representative will not usually recommend specific corrective measures, so FDA Form 483 is nothing but the list of inspectional observations which can be used by a firm as a guide for corrective actions. FDA will not recommend specific corrective measures what we have to correct. An FDA Form 483 is used to firm management at the conclusion of the inspection when an investigator has observed any condition that in their judgment may constitute violation of the Food, Drugs and Cosmetic Act and related acts. FDA investigators are trained to ensure that each observation noted on the FDA Form 483 is clear, specific and significant. Observations are made when in the investigator's judgment, condition or practices observed would indicate that any food, drug, device or cosmetic has been adulterated or is being prepared, packed or held under conditions whereby it may become adulterated or rendered injurious to health. Your firm can and should respond to FDA 483 during the discussion with the investigator. In fact, corrective actions or procedural changes that were accomplished immediately in the presence of the investigator are regarded as positive indications of your concern and desire to voluntarily correct discrepancy. So friends, FDA 483 is list of inspection observations. They are the observation and firm and management should show keen interest and desire to correct those observations. This will give a very positive image of your organization to inspectors. Hope this will be helpful. Thank you very much. Thank you for your time.